To create a new page on your OneNote Online, you need to go to your Office 365 portal. Here select OneNote and your OneNote Online will be opened in your next tab. Now here it will ask which notebook you want to open. I will select marketing team. Now here I want to add another page to this section. Let me rename the section first. Now in this section, in meeting section, I want to create a new page. I will select page and a new page has been added to my notebook. Now I want to give a new name to my page. Now as you can see, I have created a new page and also named it. So this is how you can create a new page on your OneNote Online.
Thank you for watching this video.
I hope you liked it.
For more such videos on Microsoft Office 365, hit like, share, comment,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you.